The first time you use Dymista, prime it by removing the protective cap and shake the bottle gently for 5 seconds. Press down and release the pump 6 times until a fine mist appears. Blow your nose to clear your nostrils. Keep your head tilted downwards towards your toes. Insert the spray tip into one nostril. Close the other nostril with your finger. Rapidly press down once and sniff gently. Repeat in your other nostril. After each use, wipe the spray tip with a clean tissue or cloth and then replace the protective cap. For each subsequent use of Dymista, simply shake the bottle for 5 seconds before use.